is to me. Today might not be everybody's cup of tea, especially petrol heads, but let's see if we can warm you up. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the brand new Smart Forease. Times are changing, cities are becoming dirty and more crowded, and Smart Response is going fully electric by 2020. And to celebrate 20 years of Smart, we've got this fresh cookie. We are going to hop in and see what this guy is all about. But the look of this car, I think it was quite cute and fun. We've got those cool green design accents, not awfully style, very pure, very clean. What else we've got, or rather what we don't have, is a roof. That's right, this is a proper cabriolet. Let's see what we've got inside of this fresh cookie. Well, the cabin, clean, fresh, very modern, but it's time to ride this baby. This is first impressions of me driving the Smart Forease, but also first impressions of me driving a fully electric car. Unfortunately, I have to drive in circles because I can't take this car on the road. But it's okay. How does it feel to drive? Well, it feels like a little go-kart. Shall we rev it? The car is very easy to drive, of course very quiet. The steering is responsive, although half of it is missing, so it takes a bit of time to get used to it. But honestly, I just want to take this car on the road, so I cannot wait to get my hands on it very, very soon. And I think enough blabbering for today. I'd like to thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Bye!